Let's unbox again. Let's unbox again. Oh, that feeling when butterflies occupy your stomach again. Yeah. Adrenaline flows and flows, and excitement fills the room. Yeah, nice moments ahead. Where is the cutter? Where is the blade? Wow, look where the plastic tape runs, keeping the box a secret. Just a few moments more, just seconds away. Let the cutter glide through the bindings, and release the dam of the adrenaline river in your body and brain. Now it's time to release the butterflies free. What is it? What is that? What is it? Yeah. What is this? How big is the gadget? How many of them? How big is the gadget? How many of them? Form and colors, form and design. Now is the moment of truth. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oh, voila. Wow, what a magnificent machine. Oh, wow, what a feeling, when the parts are aligned, when the parts are aligned. This is it, after a long waiting time. Yeah. Let the butterflies fly, yes, let them fly away. And oh, at last, yes, when the anxiety fades away, a puffy teddy bear hug feeling steps in. Hug the gadgets together and enjoy life now. When the Elvis butterflies have left the room.